What if a single cryptocurrency held the key to unlocking unprecedented wealth, or, conversely, concealed a hidden peril capable of eroding your entire portfolio? Today, we're plunging headfirst into the tumultuous, often deceptive, waters surrounding Uniswap, a digital asset that has captivated and confounded investors in equal measure. Forget everything you thought you knew about decentralized finance because the future of Uniswap isn't just a prediction. It's a battleground where fortunes will be forged and, for some, irrevocably lost. Are you truly prepared for the shocking truth about Uniswap's potential and the crucial warnings no one else dares to utter? Prepare yourselves, because the market's whispers are about to become a roaring tempest. In a world saturated with fleeting digital trends and empty promises, standing out in the investment landscape demands more than just foresight. It requires an almost prescient understanding of foundational shifts. This isn't just another crypto analysis. This is your exclusive deep dive into the core mechanics, the groundbreaking innovations, and the very real vulnerabilities of Uniswap that are routinely overlooked by mainstream narratives. We're here to empower you with the radical power to make a difference investment, one that transcends mere speculation. Because in the volatile arena of decentralized exchanges, one decision has the power to change everything, either catapulting you into an echelon of genuine wealth or leaving you stranded on the shores of missed opportunity. We will unravel the intricate layers of Uniswap's ecosystem, revealing why its future price trajectory is not merely a matter of technical charts, but a profound reflection of the evolving global financial paradigm. But beneath the hype, what shadowy forces truly dictate Uniswap's destiny? So, is Uniswap truly a good investment, capable of ushering you into a realm of profitable investment, making you wealthy beyond your wildest dreams? To answer this, we must first dissect Uniswap's role as a cornerstone of the decentralized finance revolution. As the leading decentralized exchange by trading volume, Uniswap enables peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading without intermediaries, a foundational shift that challenges traditional financial institutions. Its automated market maker model, liquidity pools, and governance token, UNNI, are technological marvels, driving unprecedented liquidity and accessibility in the crypto space. However, despite its innovative prowess, significant challenges cast long shadows over its future. Regulatory scrutiny looms large, with governments globally grappling to understand and control DeFi. The rise of fierce competitors like PancakeSwap and SushiSwap offering similar or sometimes lower fees constantly pressures Uniswap's market share. Furthermore, the inherent risks of smart contract vulnerabilities, though rigorously audited, always remain a potential Achilles heel. Network congestion and high gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain, while mitigated by Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum, still pose adoption barriers for smaller investors. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, a realistic price prediction for Uniswap. While market volatility makes precise forecasts inherently challenging, our in-depth analysis suggests a compelling trajectory. By 2025, as mainstream adoption of DeFi continues its relentless march and Uniswap further refines its V3 concentrated liquidity, we could realistically see UNI trading in the range of $35 to $50. This represents an impressive expected price change percentage of approximately 200–350% from current levels, fueled by increased institutional interest and expanded utility. Looking further out to 2030, assuming continued innovation, successful navigation of regulatory hurdles, and sustained dominance in the DEX landscape, Uniswap has the potential to ascend to heights of $150 to $250. This long-term outlook, representing a staggering 202,000% gain, paints a picture of hope for those with the foresight and conviction to hold. However, this isn't a guaranteed path to becoming wealthy. It's a highly conditional projection built upon the premise of Uniswap continually adapting and overcoming the substantial obstacles in its path. The FOMO is real for a reason, but informed decisions, not blind speculation, are what separate the genuinely wealthy from the merely hopeful. But is this future of boundless prosperity merely a tantalizing mirage? Considering these bold yet grounded price predictions, let's dissect the profound pros and cons from an investor's crucial vantage point. The pros. 1. Pioneer status and market dominance. Uniswap isn't just another DEX. It's the progenitor, the market leader with an unparalleled brand, recognition, and network effect. Its first-mover advantage and continuous innovation, like concentrated liquidity, make it a formidable force difficult to dethrone. This inherent strength provides a stable foundation for long-term growth, a core reason for the projected increase in valuation. 2. Decentralization and censorship resistance. In an increasingly centralized digital world, Uniswap offers a truly decentralized trading experience, free from the dictates of central authorities. This ideological purity resonates with a growing segment of investors who value financial autonomy and censorship resistance, a powerful narrative driving adoption. 3. Liquidity and ecosystem growth. Uniswap boasts vast liquidity pools, enabling seamless, large-scale trades with minimal slippage. As the DeFi ecosystem expands, more tokens launch on Uniswap, further deepening its liquidity and solidifying its position as the preferred platform for new digital assets. This symbiotic relationship ensures continuous organic growth. 4. UNI token utility and governance. The UNI token isn't merely a speculative asset. It grants holders governance rights over the protocol's future. This direct influence allows investors to participate in crucial decisions, aligning their interests with the protocol's success and fostering a robust community-driven development path. 5. Layer 2 integration and scalability solutions. Uniswap's proactive embrace of Layer 2 scaling solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum directly addresses its previous Achilles heel of high Ethereum gas fees. This foresight ensures continued accessibility and scalability, crucial for mass adoption and sustaining its competitive edge. The cons. 1. Regulatory uncertainty and crackdowns. The biggest elephant in the room. Governments globally are increasingly eyeing DeFi with a regulatory lens. Onerous regulations or outright bans in major jurisdictions could severely impede Uniswap's growth, impacting its price regardless of its technological prowess. This is a crucial warning for any investor. 2. Intense competition. The DEX landscape is a brutal arena. While Uniswap leads, rivals are constantly innovating, offering competitive features, lower fees, or specialized services. A new disruptive protocol could emerge, rapidly eroding Uniswap's market share and diminishing its value. This competitive pressure is relentless. 3. Smart contract risks and exploits. Despite rigorous audits, smart contracts are not infallible. A major bug or exploit in Uniswap's code could lead to significant financial losses for users and a catastrophic loss of trust, potentially crashing the UNI price and reputation. This inherent technological risk is a constant sword of Damocles. 4. Market volatility and macro factors. Cryptocurrencies, including UNI, are inherently volatile. Geopolitical events, global economic downturns, and shifts in investor sentiment can trigger sharp price corrections, irrespective of Uniswap's fundamentals. Investors must be prepared for extreme price swings. 5. Dependence on Ethereum. While Ethereum's dominance is a strength, it also makes Uniswap somewhat reliant on the success and continued evolution of the Ethereum network. Any significant issues or major shifts away from Ethereum could indirectly impact Uniswap's operational stability and market standing. So, with such stark choices, how do intelligent investors navigate this treacherous terrain? The conflict, then, isn't about whether Uniswap possesses the potential for extraordinary gains. It's about discerning the fine line between calculated risk and reckless speculation. The resolution lies not in abandoning the opportunity, but in embracing an informed, strategic approach. For the discerning investor, the key message is clear. Uniswap represents a potent blend of innovation and inherent market risks. Its future price trajectory, while promising exponential growth for those who believe in the decentralized future, is inextricably linked to its ability to overcome formidable regulatory, competitive, and technological headwinds. This isn't a guarantee of becoming wealthy, it's an invitation to participate in a financial revolution, provided you approach it with eyes wide open. Diversification is paramount, and understanding your risk tolerance is non-negotiable. Uniswap is not merely a token, it's a bellwether for the entire DeFi space, and its journey will be reflective of the broader crypto narrative. Invest wisely, research relentlessly, and never commit more than you can afford to lose. This is how the conflict resolves. Through knowledge, prudence, and a long-term vision that transcends fleeting market noise. If this deep dive into Uniswap's shocking pros and cons, and its crucial investor warnings, has illuminated your path in the volatile world of crypto, then show your support. Don't let valuable insights slip through your fingers. Like this video to help us reach more discerning investors, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for an unwavering stream of the latest blockchain insights, expert analyses, and exclusive content designed to keep you ahead of the curve. Staying updated isn't just a recommendation, it's the non-negotiable foundation for achieving your financial aspirations in this rapidly evolving digital frontier. Join our community and empower your investment journey today. Take full control of your crypto with Ledger Live. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs securely in one place. Buy, swap, stake, and grow your portfolio with ease. Trusted by 7+ million users, Ledger Live keeps your assets safe by integrating with Ledger hardware wallets for maximum security. Say goodbye to third-party risks and hello to true financial freedom. Download Ledger Live now. Click the link in the description to get started. Crypto taxes don't have to be a nightmare. Coinly calculates your taxes in under 20 minutes. No spreadsheets, no headaches. Sync your crypto assets with one click, whether you're trading, staking, or using DeFi. Import your trades, track your portfolio, and generate ready-to-file tax reports effortlessly. Join thousands who trust Coinly to simplify their crypto taxes. Make tax season stress-free. Click the link in the description to get started with Coinly today. The information contained herein is for entertainment purposes only. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. The content of this video is solely the opinions of the channel owner, who is not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies poses considerable risk of loss. Please use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. The channel does not guarantee any particular outcome.